A little pressure never hurt anyone, unless you're trying to maintain possession of the ball. Here's what you need to know about pressure. It's a cornerstone of defending, applying pressure, and what it means is limiting an attacker's time and space. So how do we do that? To limit time, a defender needs to get to the ball as quickly as they can, and to limit space, they need to slow down, get low, and get close. Quick, slow, low, to limit where the attacker can go. This means trying to force the attacker in one direction or another, towards the touchline or towards a fellow defender, to keep the attacker from passing the ball or getting around them. At this point, it's all about keeping the pressure on, hopefully forcing a mistake and a chance to win the ball, like that. Let's see that again. Quick to the ball, slow down, get low. A little pressure can go a long way.